Hello everyone, today going to show you a testing of a strand wire on a 600 gauge length. So you can see we are using a computerized model UTM machine. So right now our extensiometer is fixed and it's a 15.2 strand wire. So going to perform this test. This is our standard software. Giving the input data. So here going to select the both data, both encoder and extensiometer. Diameter is given. Now going to select the gauge length for percentage elongation, gauge length for extensiometer, proof state at 0.2%, extensiometer 2, as we are using two type of extensiometer in this. So 600 gauge extensiometer is extensiometer 2. So we selected that one. Hydraulic is on now. So giving the file name.
Sir, sir. Okay, sir.
Tail load. Okay, now our testing has been started. So you can see in the report, this is the load versus extensiometer graph and this is load versus displacement graph. So all our data has been started. Load value, this is the displacement value and this is the extensiometer value. We remove the safety pin from the extensiometer. Now our extensiometer traveling.
Ravi, no package. Chapta.
Load versus extension graph. Load versus displacement graph. Just when remove extensometer came, we need to remove our extensometer. You can see a message below there, remove extensometer remove. At that time we need to remove the extensometer. Now our extensometer has been removed. Now you can see this graph has been stopped here and only load versus displacement graph is now moving. So from this graph we will get the 0.2% proof stress, and this is graph for the rest of the data.
ये रोड के पास ही रखो
So our component has been completely broke down. This is our software data.
Stop.
Okay. See, now we need to give the percentage final gauge length for percentage elongation.
Ravi.
67 plus 67 in 750. 800 and
निकाल और निकाल दो नहीं 1 second 66 816 ఎంత ఉంది 66 ఉంది సార్
accept
81 నా 816.98
yes from gauge length.
Okay.
Accept. Now this is the Young modulus which our software automatically calculate. Yes. Now for calculating the proof state we need to select 2 points. Yes. Then now going to select the first data. Okay. Going to select taking the first point. First point has been selected. Now it asks for second point. Going to select the second point. Now you can see a parallel line automatically draw, and a proof load is also coming, and the proof stress is also coming. So yes. Now yes, again for break values. Now it asks for remark. Any remark is there, we can write down, then click on accept. This is the final data. To take the printout, and this is our report.
గ్రాఫ్ కిందకి వెళ్ళండి ఆ గ్రాఫ్ కి లోడ్ వర్సెస్ సిఎస్టీ గ్రాఫ్ చూపి
So
అక్కడ చూడండి ఆ ఈల్డ్ దగ్గర